To create your paper loom, first you need one of your mixed media papers that you created. So I chose this one that I used permanent marker and washable marker, and I added water to kind of make it look like watercolor paint. If your paper is a little curled up like mine, you can first just kind of gently turn it over to the other side and roll it, and that will help to kind of flatten it out a little bit for you so it's not so curled up. Okay, so once you've got it flattened, you're going to start by folding your paper in half to create your loom. Just gently fold it, and we want to draw a line at the top of our paper so we know how far to make our cuts for our loom. So if you have a ruler at home, that will be helpful, but if you don't, you can use anything that has a straight edge, and you want to measure down about a half of an inch and draw your line in pencil so you know how far you're going to be cutting. Then you also want to use your straight edge or ruler to draw some lines from this line all the way to the fold, and that's where we'll be cutting with scissors. And you can make your lines even, you can make some closer together or more spread apart. So I might make some that are a little bit wider. That's up to you. It'll create a different effect when you are weaving your paper. So slowly just move your ruler down, line it up, draw your lines. And then once you've got enough lines drawn, we're going to use our scissors for the next step. Okay, so using your scissors, you want to then cut along each of these lines, and you don't want to go any further than that horizontal line that we first drew. So carefully cut each line. Make sure that your paper is staying folded. You want to carefully kind of hold it together. If it's not perfect, it's okay. Just get it as close as you can. And then once we're done cutting all of these lines that we've drawn, we're going to unfold it. Almost done. Okay. When you unfold it, you'll have your loom. So now we have all of these cuts that we are going to be folding our paper through.